Are you ready to transform your ideas into profit? Today, we'll explore how to create and sell digital products using ChatGPT. Digital products include eBooks, templates, and various downloadable items. Let's break this process down step by step. First, identify a topic you're passionate about. Choose subjects that solve problems or fulfill needs. Next, brainstorm product ideas like eBooks, templates, or online courses. Now, use ChatGPT to create outlines, drafts, or full content. This tool can assist in researching information effectively. Tools like Canva can help you create professional layouts. Make your product visually appealing to attract buyers. Next, set up your sales platform, like Gumroad or Shopify. These platforms allow for easy transactions and customer management. Create a compelling sales page with testimonials and clear descriptions. Next, promote your product on social media to reach your audience. Share tips or snippets and offer promotions to attract buyers. Use email marketing with free resources to build engagement. Finally, track sales to see what's popular and refine your marketing. Adjust your approach based on customer feedback and sales data. In summary, creating and selling digital products is rewarding. Use your passion to create value for others. Let ChatGPT assist you in the creation process. Remember to promote effectively and analyze results often. Start your journey today and watch your ideas flourish. In the next video we will discuss about blogging, SEO, affiliate marketing with AI. Stay connected with us. Thank you.